Hello, welcome to Askotisplace. In today's video, I'm going to be using flaxseed gel on my hair. In one of my previous videos, a subscriber suggested I try flaxseed on my hair. Guys, this is my first time, so you're watching this as I'm trying it for the first time. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So I'll start off by preparing the flaxseed gel. I'm going to put in 2 cups of water into a pot, and into the pot I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Put it on fire, bring it to a boil. I'm going to let this boil for about 5 minutes. I kept stirring it because I read that you should stir it occasionally to avoid it sticking to the pot. About 5 to 7 minutes later, it was looking good. I kept it down, allowed it to cool for just a few minutes before straining it. I wanted to strain it while it was still hot because it was going to be easier for the gel to come out. I saw some videos online where people allowed it to cool completely and straining it was a struggle. So straining it hot is the best way. That's what I did here. After straining it, this is how the gel looks. Guys, this is the consistency. I allowed it to cool completely before using it on my hair. This is how the consistency is. My hair was moisturized already. It's not completely dry. I think the gel was going to apply better with the hair being a little bit damp. So I just moisturized my hair. Yeah, I'm applying the gel now. You watch videos of people using flaxseed gel on their hair and their hair just curls up immediately, but I have low porosity type 4 hair, and that didn't happen the way I thought it was going to happen. Anyway, I'll let you watch to see how the application process went. I applied a lot of the gel, hoping my hair was just going to coil up and become, shiny and sleek, but it didn't. But I definitely noticed that I was having some definition to my curls. I applied a lot of it, guys, and at the point I just felt, you know what, I don't think it's going to coil up more than this. I don't know if I needed to use more gel. Flaxseed is a superfood. It is very good for the health and it's also good for the hair. I'm going to just run you through some benefits of flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in nutrients which increase hair growth and make your hair grow stronger. Flaxseed is a natural source of biotin. Yeah, biotin that will take the supplements for hair growth. You can find biotin in flaxseed. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce inflammation on the scalp. They also help in binding moisture to the hair, which keeps your hair conditioned, and this leads to less breakage. It leaves your hair feeling silky and shiny. Flax seeds help keep dandruff and itchy scalp at bay. If you're combating dandruff or itchy scalp, flaxseed is something you should consider. Flax seeds also strengthen the hair from the roots. They help in increasing the elasticity of the hair. Flax seeds help prevent split ends from forming by keeping your hair nourished and hydrated. Guys, there are so many benefits to using flaxseed, and as I've read them, as I researched on them, I just realized that we are so blessed with natural things that could help our hair. If you have access to flaxseed, it's something you can include in your hair care regimen. So yeah, to the next section, I just sprayed some water before applying the gel. I think this gel consistency reminded me somehow, not exactly, of aloe vera gel. It's a little bit like aloe vera gel. Yeah. Guys, I told you that this year I was going to try different things on my hair. And this is me trying out flaxseed. A subscriber suggested it. I decided to try it. If there's anything you want me to try on my hair, let me know in the comment section. By the end of the year, I'll let you guys know what I'm going to continue with my regimen and what I'm going to cut out. My hair was feeling really soft. It was easy to detangle, although I detangled it earlier, but once I detangled my hair, it curls up again. So this flaxseed gel made it really easy for my fingers to go through the hair. But I was, like I said, I was expecting more definition. I was expecting it to, coil up the way I used to see in some videos. But yeah, guys, it didn't happen. If you've watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get more videos. Join me on this my hair journey. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. I made sure this gel was on my scalp too, not just on my hair. I made sure it touched my scalp. I applied the rest off camera. After applying on the whole hair, I decided to take it down so that you guys will see with me how this turned out. It was giving me kind of like wash and go vibes, but yeah, I think it was giving me kind of like wash and go vibes. What I noticed was that when the hair got really dry, the hair shrunk more, so definitely had a lot of elasticity. My hair shrunk more, and yeah, it just felt quite dry. So here it is. Here is my hair with flaxseed gel all over the hair. Not bad at all, but I think perhaps I should have added more flaxseed or made it thicker. I don't know, guys. If you've used flaxseed before, let me know in the comment section and let me know what I could have done to have more definition. But yeah, not bad, not bad. Guys, I think overall my experience was okay. Maybe I'll just tweak it a bit and see how I could incorporate this in my hair care regimen. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.